Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to Homesteading with Taryn. Today we are going to do a little test project. We want to put an irrigation system in the roof of the hothouse, and we want to do a little test to see if this can actually work. Okay, we've got two concerns. One, we were given a piping system that was previously used, and we would definitely love to put it to good use. So that's concern number one. We're not too sure how old it is. It looks pretty good still, but when it comes to the little sprayer fittings, we're not 100% sure if they might be blocked or if they still work, but we will find out shortly. There's one more concern. Remember, in one of my previous videos I explained that our water comes from a header tank on the highest point of our homestead. It then gravity feeds down to our house, and then when we turn on the tap, the water comes out. We do not have a pump system. It's purely gravity feed. We only pump water up to the header tank from the catchment tanks. Okay, so that will be concern number two. Will there be enough pressure coming from the header tank down into the hothouse for these sprinkler systems to actually be effective? Well, we need to test it to see if it will actually work. And remember, the pressure comes out in the house, but the house is lower than the hothouse. So that means that there would already be less water pressure coming out the pipe system in the hothouse. So come and join us. Let's see if this idea of ours can work. So after all that figuring out, we finally come to a conclusion, and now I can show you exactly how it worked out. So let's go have a look. So over here is where our water source comes in. Okay. All we had was up until this point where the tap is. We had to go and rummage in the garage for a T-piece, which we did not have. We had 15mm T-pieces, but we didn't have 25mm T-pieces. So as you can see, this is not a T-piece, it's different fittings, but we've basically made a plan. We also didn't have any stoppers, so Wayne just bent a pipe over so that the water doesn't flow out of that section of the pipe. The pipe then goes up the wall and then into the greenhouse. You can see there's the pipe, and along our blue gum crossbeam is our sprayer pipe system. We took extra fittings off of the pipe system that we were given, and Wayne drilled a hole into the pipe and we fitted the sprayers. We've only done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've only done 6 of them. Basically, this is a test run to see whether the sprayer system actually does in the hothouse what we would like it to do, which would be to spray a fine mist in here without me having to do it by hand. So let's go turn on the tap and see what happens. Right, there you can hear the water coming through. Let me see if I can stand in a way that you can actually see it. That's not going to work. All right. So the sprayer system is very, very fine. So all I can show you is the result on the floor. The floor is wet and it's doing exactly what we wanted it to do. It is spraying a very, very fine mist in this section of the hothouse. This is a very primitively set up system, and this was a bit of a test run to see if it would actually work, especially with the pressure that we have coming from our header tank, because it's all gravity fed. So we are very happy to say that it actually does work, and you can see the water is busy misting over the area. So now what we will do is we will add in a few extra fittings and we will neaten it up, and yeah, now when we do the extension of the hothouse, we know that we can actually use the pipe work that we were given from a friend and put it to very good use. So this was a very, very good day for us and a very, very, very positive result. So from us, until next time, see you later.